Hello everyone, can you believe what you are seeing? Oh my god, that's my roasted chicken in an oven. So here the recipe. I had one whole organic chicken, and then I cut it into pieces. After I cut the chicken, I wash it very well and rinse and pat dried it using the paper towel, and then I added yellow mustard and cayenne pepper and paprika. I also added the chicken flavor stock powder, the onion powder, and lastly I added some vegetable oil, and then I mix it very well and bake it at 400 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Now it was time to make my chicken sauce. So I had 1 teaspoon of creamy mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of spicy mayonnaise. And then I mixed this very well, and then I transferred my chicken to another baking tray and apply all the chicken sauce, and then I grill it on a low heat for 5 minutes. That was ready to serve. Look at that, so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. So I served this with some jollof rice and some spinach.